Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Today we will talk about leisure time, and I prepared for you some words and phrases that are important if you want to talk about leisure time or free time. Before I start, don't forget to join my free Egyptian 101 course. It's an online course dedicated to fundamentals of spoken Egyptian that will give you the background that you need in order to get deeper into this beautiful language. So let's start with the first word. Our first word here is يرتاح. يرتاح, it means to have some rest. To rest. يرتاح. يرتاح. So when I say, for example, أنا عايز أرتاح, I want to get some rest. It has been a long day and أنا عايز أرتاح شوية. I want to get some rest. So يرتاح. يرتاح. And from it we have the noun راحة, which is the rest itself. الراحة. الراحة. Okay, so يرتاح is the verb and الراحة is the noun. Say it with me again. يرتاح. Travel is يسافر. So أنا عايز أسافر اسكندرية, for example. I want to travel to Alexandria. أنا عايز أسافر أوروبا. I want to travel to Europe. Okay, يسافر. يسافر. هو بيسافر كتير. He travels a lot. So يسافر as a verb, it means to travel. Say it again with me. يسافر. يسافر. To travel. Active, it means نشيط. Okay, if I have some rest, I will be active. Okay, and I can do many things. So نشيط. And the female is نشيطة. Okay, so أنا نشيط. الصبح ببقى نشيط. In the morning, early morning, I am very active and I can do many things. So نشيط. This is the male adjective and نشيطة is the female adjective. Another word that's very important here is holiday or free day. أجازة. Okay, أنا عندي أجازة. I have a holiday. Okay, أجازة. A day off. أجازة. Okay, I'll take a day off. أنا هاخد أجازة. أنا هاخد أجازة. Okay, so usually after the exams when we were kids, usually all the kids in the school, they say الأجازة جت. الأجازة جت. Also the holiday arrived. Okay, so الأجازة, it means the holiday, the free time. During the holiday, during the leisure time, I am free. أنا فاضي. So أنا فاضي is the opposite of مشغول, which is not available or I am busy. Okay, so free here, it means فاضي or available. Okay, so I am free or available, it means فاضي. So أنا فاضي دلوقتي. I can help you. I have nothing to do. أنا فاضي دلوقتي. أنا ممكن أساعدك. I can help you. When we talked about the verb يرتاح, here we have an important phrase that illustrates this verb. So when I say, for example, أنا لازم أرتاح شوية, I must rest a little bit or rest for some time or take some rest. Okay, so I must rest for some time. أنا لازم أرتاح شوية. I لازم must أرتاح, the verb itself is to rest, شوية, sometime. Okay, sometime or a little bit. أنا لازم أرتاح شوية. Another important phrase that is related to فاضي. So when I say أنا فاضي بكرة, I am free tomorrow. I can help you. أنا فاضي بكرة. Or we can go to visit somebody or we can go to the cinema and so on. So أنا فاضي بكرة. I have nothing to do tomorrow. I am available tomorrow. I am free tomorrow. أنا فاضي بكرة. Another important phrase related to أجازة. When we say, for example, أنا عندي أجازة الأسبوع الجاي. I have a free time or a holiday next week. So أنا عندي, I have أجازة, holiday, next week الأسبوع الجاي. The coming week. Next week الأسبوع الجاي. أنا عندي أجازة الأسبوع الجاي. I have also another important verb to swim. Okay, swimming. يعوم. يعوم is to swim. When I say, for example, أنا بحب أعوم, I love swimming. I like to swim. Okay, أنا بحب أعوم. I love or I like to swim. أنا I بحب love be imperfect to swim أعوم. أنا بحب أعوم. And note the pronunciation of the عين. أعوم. Another important phrase related to football, since Egyptians love football. They like to play football every time, whenever possible. Okay, so when I say, for example, أنا هلعب كرة قدم بعد الظهر, it means I will play football after noon. Okay, كرة قدم. كرة قدم. كرة قدم, كورة, it means ball. كورة. And the قدم, it means foot. Okay, and football, it means كرة قدم. Sometimes Egyptians just say كورة. أنا هلعب كورة بكرة. And also, it's also understood. If somebody is saying نلعب كورة, نتفرج على كورة, we watch football. نتفرج على كورة. They will not just watch a ball. They will watch a football. Okay, the match itself. So نتفرج على كورة بكرة. Okay, we watch football tomorrow. Okay, so أنا هلعب كرة قدم بعد الظهر. I will play football afternoon. I hope these phrases are easy to digest and you now know some important words and phrases that you can use in conversations related to holidays and leisure time. If you have any question in any of these words and phrases, write me a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Linguamid and join my free course. It's very recommended. You will find the link in the first comment and in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in a future episode.